Obviously, it's exciting that the product is doing so well, but it's really unfortunate for the customer for us to see a sellout. The container just didn't make it in on time, and now I'm gonna need to meet with Josh and see what he can do as far as our ad strategy and campaign to get us back to the sales velocity that we were seeing previously.
Conservatively, I could see maybe a 15% dip in sales this month.
Okay.
But we'll have to see. You know, we can leverage other products to try to fill the void.
Yeah, I'm just so bummed. You know, it's like we did all the air freight, we rushed it, like, and then you just have these like container or port delays that you can't control. It's just that's the hard part of business, is it's hard work and it's luck.
Hear me out. I'm gonna throw something your way. I think while we're waiting for this to get in stock, a really smart play is to not dilute our ad spend across the entire catalog, but really focus it and concentrate it on the complementary products to the cattail placemat. So we've got the trivets, which have gotten great reviews, our table runners, and then we've got our coasters. So I think while we're waiting for the cattail placemats to get in stock, let's target our ad spend at these products. Let's really build up that category.
The sponsored display and sponsored product ads will use photos of all of these products together so that hopefully the audiences we reach will organically return to complete the set. All right, so let's jump in. I think we have some good news to be celebrating on this call.
It's been a really exciting couple of months here. You know, we did run out of stock. We proposed a strategy, we executed the strategy, and so far we're up 350% from last year.
When we first started launching sponsored product ads, we thought we would have to do like long tail keywords, niche keywords, but ultimately we found more success on our sponsored product ads through high volume keywords, placemat, round placemat, right? We are competing with the big guys on these very high volume keywords, and that's really exciting for a new brand.
Now with the cattail placemats back in stock, we've adjusted our ad spend back to the placemats and have found that people are naturally returning to buy the complementary products, showing us a steady growth in organic sales and brand awareness. These last few months have been pretty crazy at KAZI, but our local team has worked really hard to pivot with these obstacles and have hit an outcome none of us could have expected.
You have safe travels back to San Diego. Enjoy the rest of your time in Uganda, and we'll talk soon.
Since 2016, our mission at KAZI has been to create exceptional products, beautiful designs, and empower communities across Rwanda, Uganda, and Ghana. Each product tells a story of craft and of skill. Looking to the future, we're excited about the opportunities ahead, staying true to our mission of ethical products and fair wages. By effectively utilizing the tools on Amazon combined with our hero product, we flipped a tough year of sales into our best year on Amazon yet. And that makes a huge difference, not just for our staff here in San Diego, but for 8,600 women, their children, and their communities.